Hey guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Binance MXC and 3 commas update. So obviously you guys can probably tell that it's going okay at the moment. We're getting some big altcoin moves. So yeah, that's doing what we expected it to do. Really, we weren't going to 2x without some big altcoin gains, and obviously we're working out in BTC value. So clearly the only way to generate those gains is in the altcoins, so it was always the plan. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing the like button, we will go straight over to those accounts and see how we're getting on. So MXC first, we'll just work this one out. Get rid of you. I don't know why that always comes up. I mean, I do know, but so 0.59 we're on, so 0.59 BTC plus, and then over to Binance we are on 0.818, we'll call it, plus 0.818, so that gives us a grand total of there we go, 1.408. so we are over 40% up now, so we are definitely a third of the way to our target. And yeah, 0.4 Bitcoin up in, I think it's 25 days now, I think so. 0.4 Bitcoin, so that's not too bad. And obviously, as we all know, Bitcoin has been doing good things itself. So yeah, that can keep pumping up, then we should be doing okay. So yeah, let's have a look at I'll just quickly show you the coins we've got. High the small balances. So we've got the same ones really in Binance, but some of them are making some nice moves. We've got the bot as well, taking profits on some of them. So yeah, the bot deals, there we go. There are all the bot deals going up. I told you guys I changed the settings, so it's only taking 20% at the first, and then 20% for the next 3 take profit levels. So yeah, each 10% move up rather than 40% that we were doing when we were being a bit defensive at that point, because obviously altcoins were taking a bit of a hit, some of them were. So now we're being a bit more offensive by holding more of the positions. And then over in MXC, where my favorite altcoins reside, my Polkadot basically portfolio, I like to call it. So we've got obviously DOT, the one, Polkadot, ChainX. ChainX is part of the Polkadot ecosystem, KSM part of the Polkadot ecosystem, XOR part of the Polkadot ecosystem, going to be a very important part. And then we did take a speculative bet on some Ample because it got absolutely whacked, and people were talking about it before. It just seemed like a good one to have a go at after the sell-offs. But yeah, these are all moving quite nice. We have a look at XOR in particular, getting over that 50 mark. As you can see, nearly traded at just under 52. So yeah, I'd expect this to get up to 100, I reckon. 100 in, well, I don't even like to say how long because it sounds ridiculous, but it could be a week, could be 2 weeks, but we'll have to see how that goes. But yeah, all in all, we're at 1.408 in, it is 25 days, I'm sure. It'll say in the title. You'll know what it is in the title. But yeah, that's it, guys. So that's the Binance daily update. So yeah, thanks for listening. Remember, not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys soon.